You must know this. These sentences are very important and daily uses sentence. So let's get started. Our first sentence is, how are you doing? It means show someone with smile. When you meet your friend, you can say, how are you doing? Right? And next sentence, could you please help me? It means asking for help. If you are carrying a heavy bag, you can say that, could you please help me? Right? And next, I am running late. A person looking at watch. When you are late for school or office, you can say that I am running late. And next, it is nice to meet you. Handshake scene. For example, after handshake with a new person, you can say that nice to meet you. See you tomorrow means waving goodbye. For example, when you leaving school or office and any work, you can say see you tomorrow. And next, I don't understand. It means confused. For example, in class, if you don't understand something, you can say I don't understand. What do you think? Person thinking. For example, if you showing painting anything to your friends and someone and you ask from what do you think, right? And next, that's great idea, suggestion. For example, if your friends say let's go to the park, you can say that that's a great idea, right? And next and last, it's very important, have a great day, smiling sunrise. For example, in the morning, you can tell your family, have a great day. I hope you have understand all these sentences. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to YouTube channel for more English easy videos.